How to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. Go to YouTube, go to your profile, now go to your premium benefits, scroll down, click on manage your membership, click on YouTube Premium, click on cancel membership. Next, now you can go to Play Store. This is where you can cancel your subscription. So if I do that, I will be out of the YouTube Premium. So that's how you cancel your YouTube Premium membership. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.